cracking Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Right guys, so let's cut straight to it. I know why you guys are here. 2 weeks ago, I was giving away 10 limited edition money ropes to celebrate reaching 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you want to know who won that competition, who were the lucky 10 winners, please go down to this timestamp. Thank you so much for getting involved in my giveaway. You guys are absolutely epic. Trust me, you don't understand how humbling this feeling is to see so many people getting involved in this channel, and I want to thank you guys out there. Right guys, so this video isn't just about the giveaway. We've come up with an absolutely epic video idea. I want to make this video go viral across the globe, guys, and I want to feature all of you. The movement, like I always say, is just growing so powerful, and I want to see your skills, guys. So this is what we're going to do. I want you to film yourself skipping wherever you're from, wherever your country. Put a landmark in the background, put a flag in the background, do it from your backyard, inside your house, wherever you want to do it. But I want to showcase your skills, and even if you're beginners and first time picking up your rope, I just want to show the power of this thing, the money rope, the Rush Athletics speed rope, this channel, Rush Athletics TV. I want to show how powerful you guys are making it. The whole kind of skipping movement. Skipping is not the new trend anymore, guys. I used to always say skipping is the new trend. It's not. We're basically building the base. We're building the platform for generations to come. So join me in my legacy, guys. I want you guys to be part of this legacy as well. What I'm going to do in today's video is just explain to you how you're going to do your video, how you're going to shoot your video. And what you're going to need is a couple of things. You're going to need potentially 2 people to help you. So 1 person to film, 1 person to actually throw you the rope. So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to have probably the B-roll in the background whilst I'm explaining this, but you're going to have someone to throw you the rope. You're going to film it in landscape. So make sure you're not filming, if you're on your camera phone, don't film it kind of portrait. I want you to turn the camera to the side and you do it the kind of landscape motion, landscape mode. And that's going to help me edit the video and make sure that I can get you in properly on my edit. I want to feature as many people as I can as possible, guys. So I'm hoping to close this, it's not really a competition, but I want to close this kind of entry in for the end of the month. And then by February, I want to be getting this video out. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to stand in front of your landmark or your place that you want to start skipping. And you're going to get your friend to stand on the right hand side of you. So that's really important. So the way you're watching this video, I'm pointing probably to your left as you watch me, but you're gonna have someone on the right hand side of you, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna throw you the skipping rope, they're gonna throw you your rope. Hopefully you've got a money rope in your hand, and if not, and you've got your own skipping rope, you've got your own branded rope, whatever it may be, they throw you the rope, you catch it nice and clean. But listen guys, if there is a few bloopers, or if there's a few things that go wrong, don't worry about it. It doesn't need to be perfect. Even if you drop it, it could be a laugh. I want to have as many different types of styles and different types of kind of joke videos out there. But catch the rope, and all I want you to do is skip for maybe 15 to 20 seconds, but to showcase some of your best moves. If it could be footwork, it could be double unders, it could be crossovers. Literally, you could put together any type of moves you guys want. You can actually do simple things, you could do difficult things, and you could just try and put together things, what you've learned from the channel. That'd be absolutely brilliant as well, and it will show me just how much you guys have learned. I want you then to get the rope in your hands, and I want you to throw it to your left. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna basically catch it from your right, and you're gonna throw it to your left. Now, the important thing is this: whoever is throwing the rope into your video, please make sure you can't see them whilst you're recording. And also, when you throw the rope to your left-hand side, that you don't see the rope falling on the floor. It needs to literally leave the shot in the air. So then that way, when I put it together, when I piece together the next person, they're gonna catch it. It's gonna come in from the air. So make sure you give it a good chuck. Don't spend too long on it. Don't think about it too much. If you mess up, it's not a problem. You just want to keep it natural. You want to keep it fun, and you want to showcase some of your best stuff that you've got. So guys, a lot of you out there will have a lot of friends who probably aren't following this channel. So make sure when you do make your video, make sure you get them involved. Those who are filming you, just swap it around. Go to a different location. Get everyone you can involved, your friends, your family, your mum, your dad, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Too many people to mention, but get every single person you can involved. This video is going to go viral, guys. I want it to go viral. I want it to be the legacy video that I want for not only myself, but all of you out there, everyone who got involved in this Jump Nation movement, in this Rush Athletics movement. They run, we fly. We want to take this thing and keep it on YouTube for the rest of YouTube days. So imagine that, guys. Imagine that you'll be on YouTube and that you'll be part of this unbelievable video. I want to see it literally skyrocket on another level. I want it to be the best skipping video ever made. So that is my pitch to you. That is my sell to you. You now need to get not only your money rope or any rope that you can find in your closet right now and just film this video and send it to me. So you can send me your videos in two ways, guys. You can either send it to me via Instagram, so you direct message me and just send me your videos just like that. Or the easier way that I would definitely see these videos is if you email me at info@rushathletics.co.uk. So make sure it's a small video file, and you also put in the subject title Jump Nation followed by your name and your country. Just be sure to get involved. I want to get you all involved. So right guys, I'm going to wrap it out right there. Without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.